wizard.
All right, good morning, everyone. Hope you're all going to have a great day today. Hope you're going to have a fantastic day today. God bless you all. All praise be to Jesus Christ. So I'm not going to do a live every morning because sometimes I get off at 3, sometimes I get off at 5. But I do have Sundays and Mondays off. So I will do, I'm going to start doing Monday markets open. We'll do live streams on Monday in the morning before the market opens. I haven't set the exact time of when the stream will start and stuff like that, but we're gonna figure it out. But let's get into it. Right now Bitcoin is coming up. She's reclaiming the daily VWAP right now. Money flow wants to come in. We have a nice anchor trigger wave set up. Looks like the smooth Heineke ash Heikeneishi ash indicator is turning blue, or has the potential to turn blue right now. Yeah, this next candle is probably going to be blue in the next minute. We'll come back to it, but money flow is coming in. Let's see how the 15-minute looks. VWAP is coming down, but money flow is coming up. Hopefully this VWAP's high enough to where we can bounce a couple times. Maybe we can get above 108k. If we are going to get above 108k, our next big area of resistance is right here at this golden pocket at we'll just call it 109.4. We get up there, but we can't hold it. We can't reclaim it. You see, we can't open any good candles above it and push higher. But if we are going to reclaim this area today, then of course 109 and 110 is going to be our resistance. That's where we're going to have to break through to get to all-time highs. Money flow is coming in on the 15. Let's go to the 30-minute. We got a green dot on the 30-minute. Money flow is curving to the upside. When money flow curves to the upside, price tends to follow. Because, I mean, that's where the money is. Money's going into the market. So you can expect the price to go up. We have a green dot starting to form right here on the 1 hour. The money flow has come out. I never like the money flow and VWAP working against each other. I always like them playing in the same direction. Like this. That's what you want to see. But obviously there's been tons of volatility. So it's to be expected when the 1 hour looks like this, with money flow coming out, VWAP shooting up. Now we could see the money flow just curve right back up here on the 2 hour, but that's beautiful. That's exactly what you want to see. I actually might be about to jump into a long. But we'll wait till the video is over. 4 hour VWAP is bouncing, but the money flow is coming out as well. Curve, more than likely a curve to the upside here. Go here to the daily. Daily is also getting ready to cross over the zero line and put in a green dot. Looks like the green dot is going to be starting to print by the end of the day, more than likely. Money flow still curving to the upside. Weekly money flow is getting higher and rising. It is rising. Now, if we're not going to go higher, if we're not going to hold any of these areas here, if we're going to come up to this 109k and get rejected, I would look to the daily VWAP, obviously. And look, we got the blue candle. We do have the blue candle. The VWAP's coming down. Money flow wants to come in. How long we got? What time is it? 5:21. 30 minutes for the green dot. But if we're not going to hold the daily, we obviously got the previous day right here at 108.6, and that weekly VWAP at 108.5. We almost lost it. We reclaimed it. She pushed us right up to that 0.5 Fibonacci there. And if we're not going to hold that, we have the monthly and previous week VWAPs down here that we've already visited not too long ago to hold us. And these are the levels I'd be watching for if we're not going to hold this daily, if we're not going to continue higher from here, which is looking pretty good. Looking pretty good with the potential. I don't like how the VWAP looks, how it's rejected off that 0 line here on the 3 hour. We still got an hour and a half. Everything has an hour and a half. That 4 hour bounce, though, we have a nice 4 hour bounce. We're reclaiming that daily VWAP. Yeah, it makes sense. If we lose the monthly VWAP, if we are going to lose that monthly and weekly and not continue higher, it makes sense for us to revisit the previous month. You can see we've already done it. We've lost our monthly. We came right down and leapfrogged to our previous month one time before. So if we're not gonna break that 0.5, that 109K, and continue higher to perhaps all-time highs, but maybe today's the day it goes higher. We are getting ready to put in a green dot on the green day with money flow rising. But if we're not gonna do that, that would be the levels I'd be watching for the downside. But right now, with that money flow coming in, this is a pretty high VWAP, so it looks like we're gonna have room to ebb and flow above this 0 line as price potentially continues higher. But these are the levels I'm watching. I might be about to take a long but I don't want to go to sleep on it, man. That's the whole thing. That's why I haven't done anything. I don't want to go to sleep on it. Because if I set a stop loss, it'll come down, take my stop loss, and then blast off. So I'll just wait. But that is a good setup. I love this. Love this strategy as we're reclaiming the daily VWAP here with money flow coming in on an anchor and trigger. If there are divergences, that works even better, but the anchor and trigger. Let's see. We'll come back. If this money flow is going to come in. I like how the VWAP looks. The VWAP looks like we can continue higher. The RSIs are green. Not super gapped and coming up. They have been farther apart, but they are gapping out. But they are green. Money flow is starting to come in. I hope everyone has a great day. God bless you all. I'm out.